The last link layer technology we'll discuss in this chapter is ATM, Asynchronous Transfer Mode. ATM is also a packet switching technology, just like frame relay, but in contrast to frame relay, it transmits packets with a fixed length. Packets whose lengths are fixed, also known as cells, are data packets that only contain basic routing information, enabling special devices, the switches, to forward the packets quickly to their destination. Communication is effected over a point-to-point system, which offers a permanent virtual circuit between the computers. Since ATM transmits packets of a fixed length, and with little routing information using the point-to-point method, high transmission speeds are achieved. Therefore, ATM also supports the transmission of speech, real-time video, graphics, CD-quality audio, and bit rates in the megabit range. ATM networks typically support bit rates between 155 and 622 megabits per second. Let's consider an ATM cell in somewhat greater detail. As we have seen, ATM offers connection-oriented but unreliable transmission services. The responsibility for transmission reliability is taken over by a higher protocol, such as TCP. ATM takes a random-sized data packet, for example an IP datagram, and splits it up into 48-byte fragments. Then, each of these fragments has a 5-byte ATM header added to it. This total of 53 bytes is known as the ATM cell. The 5 header bytes encompass a virtual path identifier, VPI, supporting up to 4,096 virtual paths per connection. The 16 bits of the virtual channel identifier can assign up to 65,536 separate virtual channels to each virtual path. The 3 following bits comprise the payload type identifier. They contain information on the cell type, congestion notification, and segmentation. Another bit indicates whether the cell is high or low priority. Finally, the header error check indicates possible bit errors within the first 4 bytes of the ATM header. It only verifies the integrity of the header, not of the payload. Payload verification is taken over by a higher layer protocol.